Hey guys, what is up? It is your girl Ashley. So today we're going to be unboxing, or unbagging, whatever, my pro hair ties. I saw these on Facebook and I thought this would be a really cool thing to unbox for you guys. So, we have our receipt. Let's see what we got. So it's a buy 3 get 2 free then, I believe. Yep. So there's 5 in here. And then I'm gonna try to use them. So, come in a little cute pouch. Oh my gosh, these are like little silicone-y. So I got this one, a light pink, and this pink. And then I got these 2 free ones. So I got like 3 different shades of pink. So, I'm going to show you how these work. Or how they're like supposed to work. Sorry, I literally just had a face mask on. I'm sorry. There's like a hair on my arm. Okay. So supposedly, I'm going to use the black one actually because this is closest to my skin. Or my skin color. My hair color. And they're nice and stretchy. So supposedly what's supposed to happen is you're supposed to like put your hair up in a ponytail. Like that. So it's supposed to go up in a ponytail like this. That actually looks really nice. And then oh my gosh, that took a little bit of effort, but it worked. And there's no hair on it whatsoever. Oh my gosh. That literally took a little bit of effort, but I think once you like figure out how to put it in right, this would actually work. Like, that is freaking crazy. I will leave the link down below for these. Oh my gosh. I'm like amazed how well that worked. Like, you have to put it in right, but that worked amazingly. So the point of these is to like reduce the hair that comes out of your head. So like on regular ponytails, I don't even have a regular ponytail, there's like always strands of hair just on there, like that get tangled up onto the ponytail holder and stuff. This is supposed to reduce that problem, and this is amazing. Oh my gosh, that was so cool. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below to become part of the Unicorn fam. Turn on post notifications and stay flawless.